So the question is, do you believe that Jamaicans, the next generation, the younger generation of Jamaicans has the necessary tool to move Jamaica forward positively?
Yes, I do believe.
I don't believe so.
Why?
Well, because to me see how Jamaica are moving now, see brave. I don't believe so they go have the necessary tools.
As an expert, I find it difficult to give an opinion because I've just arrived. It's very, very hard to cast an opinion like that on my people without knowing full information. So, brother, I hope that's good for you.
Basically what you are saying, if we can get the younger generation to be less corrupt, more focused at their task at hand to move Jamaica forward, we will get a better result and a better nation next 50 years from now or maybe the next 30 years, right?
Yeah.
I don't think we have the necessary tools because right now I'm going to college and I'm hearing that my school have accreditation problem and it only can use like the degree what me I go get only can use in a Jamaica. So it don't really make no sense. Because suppose my plan to go overseas now to work.
While attending college right now to earn a degree, you believe that your degree should be recognized internationally. Okay, so that is an issue the powers that be must look into.
Most individuals of the younger generation doesn't have the support. Financially, we're denied these opportunities to move forward.
Instead of bashing young youth, them have advice, you need to listen to them because most time what they must say, because they have sense.
Guess what? Technology increase. Because remember what the Bible says, you know, in from the wise and prudent revealed to be about suckling. So guess what? They need proper mentor. That me I say. And then we go forward.
They have the brains, they're smart.
The 21st century generation, they have more ideas because some of the ideas were the older generation maybe kind of outdated and so you need something for the younger one, isn't it?
Do you believe that the younger generation of Jamaicans has the necessary tool to move Jamaica forward positively?
Yeah man, they have a tool, but some of them not really step up to the plate. So you might find like 40% they try and some of them not really put out enough effort. So they have a tool, everybody have a tool, but some don't really want it.
And they now pick you up and use it.
Sometimes if you don't care the ass go to the water, you have to carry the water go to them.
What about parenting? Do you believe that parents are doing enough?
Most of them, they are irresponsible and the male needs to play them role. And some of the females, they are too hostile. A woman will always raise a child, but a good man not go allow she alone to raise the child.
Judging from outside looking in, it's not fair to...
It is not fair for me to make a comment about my people without having full information.
Basically what you are saying, they are some of the factors where they undermine Jamaica. What do you think? If we can get the younger generation to be less corrupt, more focused at their task at hand to move Jamaica forward, we will get a better result and a better nation next 50 years from now or maybe the next 30 years, right?